Hi everybody, my name is Kimrose and today I'm going to give a short explanations of some basic uses of narrations and reporting speeds. Let's get started. Ini say mabangovin narrations to reporting speech ahong kitiahile. Obviously it's about direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech to indirect speech akihi na to ipihamitiahile. Direct speech ahi mini perform two persons, right? Communication between two persons. Number one, the first person is taking the role of a speaker and the other person is taking the role of listener. That's mini to hong katu asay umding katu angay umding tinehina direct speech ato. That's mi kanin to asay ding kanin angay ding hiti ho to direct speech. For example, dunia class ato ipika sayam ti ahile tapang hogoma. Tomorrow I will conduct English test. Tomorrow I will conduct an English test. Katito. Tito hi ahile. I am the speaker. I'm telling my student that I will be conducting test tomorrow. English test tomorrow. Ahile, tu ni kain direct nga tapang hoko makasay ito direct speech kiti na. Indirect speech ahong kiti ahile, tu ni ken zingle English test iboldi wa hi katito student hoko ma. Ele student ho in, tu ni ahong kailo ho aloy hoko ma tu aga say son diu dato. A say son diu dan to ipiti say diu ham ti ahile. Tuni in madam no in zingle English test ka bolding ahi. English test ka conducting ahi. Tin a say ti ato aga say pi diu to. Ele tuni listener rapang ho chun. Aloy ho aga say pi pale. Ama ho chu reporting role alakin oi tai na. Abale tunia hong kai lo ho chun. Am ho akuna tu aza wa hi ja chu. Tunia hong kai lo ho si to listener hong hedi hitai. Heti pat le chun ipi hong ki hidi hameti ahile tapang ho ko ma tunia ka say chu I will conduct an English test tomorrow kati chu I will conduct kati chu na ahile tapang ho in aloy ho ko ma say pat le madam says I will conduct test tomorrow ati thelo due to because they are the reporter. Hiti zia chu kin I kamanwanga amhohin. Madam say she will conduct test tomorrow. She will conduct an English test tomorrow at dius. Na I pen to she hel diu dat. Azitu kay say ka say son zi bato. I kazahiakin amahondong I amanuwala to dilo di. That's amahohin case to say report a ball wahita zia tu I ka ti tutang kaman to amhoin kay she azo hel di to indirect speech mandana he had bet hin ading. Let's come and see the example or some rules of direct and indirect speech. Direct speech ahong kiti ahile ti Mrs. Smith says I am ill na tilaya quotation umhi hiti quotation in kim vel tutang ho hi ipihamit ya hile Mrs. Smith to say hi na chachu ti sentence hi indirect speech in hel patnule ipiti ki hel de hamit ya hile Mrs. Smith says that na that inverted comma kila dota that zawahi comma ki koi azichu comma is used after a reporting verb, which means that we keep comma after that reportable di that's why that he reporting abo na dinga tutsang at say na dato chizatu comma hi uma tiahi and then I am ill atipatu she is ill tiahildi nale ipizia is kimang hamitia hile hitilaya he says he says says he present tense say na tu tiziatu is kimang na said said ti past tense hile she was ill kitidisu nale Tatu hiti he present tense a question he present tense ahiziatu answer should be also answer back in present tense. Ihet him namin nale. Tun anina ahong kita hiti reporting verb. Reporting verb ho so ipihamit ya hile question ho hi invat diu datu. Ti hi high level zema direct to indirect speech ahin he in a confused lo di wahi. Father said to me, go home at once. Father said to me, go home at once. He question hi hoi tai si mahile hi ipitabang hamitya hile, whether it will come to know that whether this question is an order question ham, request question ham, advice question ham ki hete na. Father said to me, go home at once. Akitya hile, request hitting in ta sa nompon, advice hitting in ta sa nompon, order hi. Hiti to ipi sa kinajahi order, request, advice, tell, ask, etc. Replace the words said to me or said to him. Hiti atu atilaya ke say to piham tahile. Hiti said to me. Na question na father said to me he ipinahin hiel di hamitahile. Hiti ho tumla khat pen in a hiel ding hi. Which one of them is appropriate to insert in this dash? Na is it appropriate to insert request? Request ki kuile hiti sentence ahi akitu them? No. Why? Because go home at once. Go home at once. Hiti hi request pau hilawahi. Na hiti hi advice pau hilawahi. Go home at once. Kiti tu ipiham tia hile order ki bola hi za tu hiti zo hi iladi wahi. Ahile hiti order hi present tense. Ahi za tu ti order 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 hi tailodi. Ipizia SAID set hi past tense ahi za tu hiti order hi ED pangai hi na. Today father ordered me to go home at once. That means said to me to ipiake hela miti ahile hiti ho tum lai khat pen. For example, hiti question father said to me, do not mix with bad boys. Akiti ahile, that means it's an advice. So to answer this piham tile, father advised me not to mix with bad boys. Now ay lawahile hiti question request question hi ahile, then father request me blah blah blah. Okay, that's hiti ho tumla hi order question order hi zatu we take this one order, we added ed because said is past tense, and the answer become father ordered me to go home at once. Yeah, team now. And then now we'll come to negative expression, the next one. Negative expression ang kiti ahile. Negative expression hohi ipi hohi negative expression hamiti ahile. No, not, do not, don't. Ti hohi forbid. Forbid ti hohi. So it's also hi negative expression ahi. Tiatu negative expression ho question. Ipi question hizongle negative question na hiya hile. Ita ba nga answer na piling ham itiya hile na view iti. Tiyahi rules ka kine. If any question ho hi negative ahi ka hile hitilaya words not, forbid, prohibited, etc. Hiti ho hi pen na zading hi is used in place of said to me. Said to me at the question without the le. Tom said to me, do not mix with bad boys. Tom said to me, do not mix with bad boys. Aile ipi saya rules satu. Said to me ipi healthy, maybe prohibited, maybe forbid, maybe not. Okay? Aile hiti ho tum tiahi ipi to kilom them. Hiti answer ading not kilom them, forbid kilom them, prohibited kilom them. According to my saying, I think this will be appropriate. Forbid. Tom forbid. Forbid me not to mix with bad boys. Na, aile forbid to ti present tense hikitato. Aile for ti hi equation hiveta said to me, said, S-A-I-D, said he past tense hitato. It's there to what is the past tense of forbid? Forbade. Na, forbade. Tom forbade me not to mix with bad boys. Nale, tatu direct speech to indirect speech ahi mas sapena hi navat due to biham la question hi whether it is reporting verb ham ahilo wale or order ham request ham advice ham ahilo wale chi negative expression ham ti mas sapena ivat due ani na achu in head part no le hi order hi advice hi ahilo le negative negative question hi ho in head type part no le we will check ani na check due to biham ti le hi present tense ham a question hi ayole past ki dong ham ti ivat due hi chi past ham present ham ti head na dinga chu ipi pen ivat due ham te set to me na set he says 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 ahung ki tia hile present tense di cha hi forbid hung hi ti chu ai wanga sai di set past tense hi ja chu forbid present tense change into past tense of forbid for bad na and then Tom forbade me not to mix with bad boys hi ti chu hung hi na chi appropriate hi ja chu I het be na ding ovin abana na vekit no hi te ahile tun athum nai ana vekit taun tele athum na hi biham tia hile expressing request ahung ki ti ahile sir madam please ti ho hi question ahung umahile it's an expressing of request expressing request ti ho chu question hi sir madam please ti ahung zawa hile na head due to hi request sentence hi request indirect speech hi ti na head due ta cha rule to biham mit ya hile if the question is expressing request then politely is used in place of sir and or please hichi sir hela hi politely zade na ahile set he will change into ask John said to him sir don't go home adito tito hiya hile ti na say to biham dia hile John said he pito healthy katia ipia healthy katiam ask John asked him na sir to ipia healthy politely is used in place of sir or please chahi please akiti yong le politely na zading sir akiti zong na politely zade then your answer will become John asked him politely not to go home had to expressing reason na a question hina fat ditato iti a question to sir zawam madam zawam please zawam hiti ho hi azawa hile then nalung timana ki het ditu hiti hi expressing request hi hiti expressing request hi hile set hela hi ask kazading na sir or please hela hi polite zali hiti tu naki het ditato to palizun na answer to hung nup ditai John said to him sir don't go home na John asks said he asks ake helta him na sir to ipia healthy politely not to go home your answer will be the correct answer is John asks him politely not to go home okay so a question here sir don't go home he to atwa hi ai lowa hi le madam don't go home zong hung kiti made hi please come to my home please come and visit me please come to my house na please come and meet my family ti zong hung he to question to ai wangai ho e confused lo na ding chu he question he expressing request like sir madam please azawa hile obviously set will change into ask and sir madam please will change into politely and that will be a correct answer now we'll come to the next question direct to indirect speech are ihet ding wa ka dei chi pham dia hile let question he let ahung zawa hile let is replaced by should set is replaced by suggested question na sim di ta question na sima let let ahung zao popo wa hile hiti rule hina mandi na I said to John, let us go to the hill na and then I said helai pi mandi uta na suggested I suggested na John that we na let helai pi mandi kitia should Tatu, the rules in the head na hile. Whatever question comes, then it will not be facing any problem. Na, boy na imatana tulo ding. Hiti to hintin. Then I said to John, let us go to the hill. Then, as I say, let will be replaced by should, said will be replaced by suggested. And the correct answer for this question is, I suggested John that we should go to the hill. Now, and then now we'll come to this exclamatory. Exclamatory he ipiyaki mangham tele expressing of sudden feelings. Now, like hooray, hooray, alas, tiho ahiki manghi. The exclamatory mark he whenever you come across in any question popo wa hitabang exclamatory marks ho nahin mu kha ahile ibiham na bol di tweet ahile hiti rules hin hemil lodi hooray to is replaced by joy na and alas is replaced by grief set is replaced by exclaim nale tun hin without le the boy said hooray we have won the match. Na, and then tatu answer in direct speech na hiel dito iti na hiel di ham dahile he exclaim. Na ipidia said he exclaim aki hiel tatu. Hooray ati tatu hooray to joy a hiel di na. He exclaimed in joy nale that they had won the match. We is plural. So plural of we to other words of we to they. Then for this question, the boy said, hooray, we have won the match. It's a correct answer correct answer depends to he exclaimed in joy that they had won the match. And then we'll come to the next question. He said to me, alas, I could not save you. Said is replaced by exclaim. It is said he exclaim alas to ipiaki replace the ham grief. Tatu grief Tatu hipisia. He said to me, alas, I could not save you. Then the correct answer for this question will be he exclaimed in grief that he could not save me. Okay, so rules pato in and ihit ding wakadehi exclamatory manghiyahile set to exclaim in a kihelin, alas to grief in a kihelin, hooray to joy in a kihelin. Question na let zao na zo si tu ipiham tiahile. Set to suggested in a kihelin, then to let to shoot in a kihelin, the rules hung say hohi. Hoita ilung timba ikikuyu vahile. Whatever question comes, I hope that you will be able to answer correctly. Tun atay na dingin special use of direct speech and indirect speech and aviyawite. Gang tala dingin A. I said to my friend goodbye. I bade goodbye to my friend. Na special uses adding ato. He said, happy Christmas, happy birthday. And then he said, happy Christmas, birthday to he wished to. He said that he wished me a happy Christmas. He wished me a happy birthday. He said congratulations. Then he congratulates me. He said liar. He called me liar. It's special uses he. A question iba like he said happy Christmas, birthday, wish he wished me happy birthday, Merry Christmas he said to me he said this to me ti ho sanga ju a shortcut na ibol zong le a meaning om thea hile, then this is also applicable. Tu ni hitan hina na chai tao hitin a chai na chan lunglo ta ve ho zo se kahin ki papi. Thanks for watching.